WhatsApp is possibly the biggest instant messaging app on the internet. Still, the cross-device compatibility it offers is utterly disappointing. It has been 13 years since the app came out, and yet there is no way you can transfer your chats from Android to iOS and vice versa. However, the recent multi-device feature released by the company has created a workaround. WhatsApp's multi-device support is currently in beta, and it will let you use the messaging app on different devices without your primary device being connected to the internet. This way, if you have WhatsApp installed on your Android device, for instance, you can as well use it on your iPhone or iPad simultaneously without transferring anything, and vice versa. Now, let's see how to use WhatsApp on Android and iOS at the same time simultaneously. You are welcome to Taufik Aziz TV. In order to get the trick working, you need to follow the steps we will start mentioning now. Although it's not just iPhone, you can also use WhatsApp on your iPad running iPad OS, as well as other Android smartphones too. So open WhatsApp web in Safari web browser on your iPhone or another smartphone on which WhatsApp is not installed. Now tap on the AA button near the URL. Then select Request Desktop Website. The browser will then display a QR code on WhatsApp web. Next, go to the WhatsApp app on your primary device. Then from the settings, choose Linked Devices. From there, tap on the Multi-Device Beta option. Then go on to tap on the Join Beta button. Now, come back to the Linked Devices page and tap on the Link a Device button. Next, point your camera towards your other phone and scan the QR code. That's it. Now, you can use WhatsApp on your iPhone or secondary phone without being connected to the internet. Note that when loading for the first time, it might take some time for WhatsApp to cache data on your device. Also, since it's a workaround, your experience won't be seamless. Given the small screen size, the UI seems to expand outside the screen. If you try to zoom out, you can only do it up to a certain level. You can as well slide the web page to reveal the hidden parts. And also, putting the device into landscape mode will give you a better experience. As per reports, WhatsApp is readying a chat transfer feature as well. But it would be great if it can optimize WhatsApp web for mobile devices until the feature goes live. You can also follow the same thing on your iPad or Android tablet. It will give you a better experience due to the extra screen real estate. On the overall, it's a neat thing, and you can use WhatsApp on different devices without making much effort. What do you think about the WhatsApp multi-device feature? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon. Thanks for watching.